If you're ready to cut down your Brazilian service time, keep watching. I'm gonna be showing you step-by-step my advanced Brazilian wax patterns. I'm Brie Mesquit, esthetician, educator, and I'm going to demo on this lovely mannequin today. So if you are interested in checking out this mannequin, it's called Sayge. You can check it out with the link below. So we're gonna get started on a advanced Brazilian pattern. This video is not intended to be teaching necessarily technique. I just simply wanna give you a quick video on an advanced pattern. So the difference between beginner and advanced is beginner is 2 strips at a time, advanced is going to be 3. I'm using Rebel Wax gel-based formula, which works excellent on this mannequin. It is going to perform a little differently than it would on a live human, of course, but it's pretty much as close to the real thing as you can get without having an actual client to practice on. All right, so for advanced, we are actually starting with labia, and we're covering the labia all in one, which is a little bit different than the beginner where it is split into 2. Now we do labia, then we're going to do upper bikini line. Now the 2 different types of strips that I'm using on a bikini, whether it's beginner or advanced pattern, is painter tool method and small basic. If you're unsure of what those are, or you would like to see demos, brows to toes, including Brazilians, on live demo models, go ahead and check out my free 6-week course. You can enroll completely for free, no strings attached, and you'll have lifetime access to that. All right, so we did labia, upper bikini line, and bikini line. All right, now we will remove. Oftentimes I'm removing in the opposite direction because my bikini line strip is a little bit thinner, so it's going to set quicker. Grip and remove. So I laid this pretty thin and I waited a little bit long, which is actually pretty cool with this mannequin. That's gonna perform pretty similarly to waxing a client. If we were waxing a actual live person, we would definitely be thickening up those labia strips. All right, now we're just doing the same thing on the other side, covering the entire labia on the left side now. So we got labia, upper bikini line, and you could probably guess bikini line next. So with patterns, it's really important that you keep in mind what you do to one side, you do to the other. And you're also making sure you're overlapping with all the previous strips or where the next strip is going to be laid so that you're not leaving any random pieces of hair behind. You would not necessarily remove in this way on a real person. Again, I want to make this a quick video so you guys have the patterns to reference back to. All right, so now if this lovely mannequin had pubic hair, there would only be hair left right in the middle here. So we're gonna do these wings, and we're only gonna be doing 2. We can only do 1 at a time at this point, or else they would run into each other. So while this is setting, it would be a really great time to go ahead and do any cleanup strips as needed, especially on the bikini line here. All right, and then we go ahead and remove. And same thing, other side. All right, remove. And then next, you would have booty strips. So you would have your client pull knees to chest. I cannot demo that with this mannequin, but just keep that in mind as the last step to these patterns. Of course, doing cleanup strips as needed as well. All right, let's count out how many strips did we lay in total for an initial strip for an advanced Brazilian. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, including booty. So we knocked off 4 strips in total from the beginner pattern. If you guys want to see the beginner pattern, go ahead and check out this video here.